Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Cooking Craze account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Cooking Craze account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Cooking Craze application. The official page of Cooking Craze application will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option. You can either sign in to your account using your Facebook or email as well. Click on Already Have a Big Fish account. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Cooking Craze account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot option. This is how you can log into your Cooking Craze account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.